Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on shutter sound in oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly scroll up and move to the setting camera icon. Click on the camera. Now you will see many options. Click on that three lines. After that click on the setting. Now you will see many options. Here you will see scroll down and click on the shutter sound option. Here you will see which is already off in our mobile phone. So if you want to turn on shutter sound, so firstly on shutter sound in this way. So it means that it produce sound when you click photo. I will show you. Here you will see our photo is clicked and it produce sound. So in this way shutter sound is on in our mobile phone in this way. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. And if you want to get more information about any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video.